everyone, and welcome to Books and Babies. I'm happy you can join me today. We'll get started with our hello song. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Great job. Can you wave too? Everybody wave hello. Wave hello. Wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Let's have some fun. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Let's have some fun. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Let's have some fun. Everybody wave hello. Wave hello. Wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Now our song is done. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today for a new set of books and songs for your baby and toddler. So we'll get started today with our first book, which we all have kind of barnyard farm animals today. And we're going to start with, Are You a Cow? Hey, I'm a chicken. Yes, it is true. Tell me, what are you? Are you a cow? Are you a cow? I'm going to make a guess and say probably not. Are you a dog? Probably not. Are you a duck? No. Are you a frog? No, you're not a frog. Are you a lamb? No. Perhaps a pig. Are you a pig? No, you're not a pig. You are definitely not a hippo. You are very small. They are very big. Are you a bear who does not frown? Are you a chicken upside down? Nope. Are you a penguin? You're not? But wait, you must be you. Oh, isn't that great? All right, great listening. All right, let's do a nice little song about opposites. Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Great job. Should we do it one more time? Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Great job. All right, we'll do a little finger play next. We'll go round and round the garden. Round and round the garden went the teddy bear. One step, two step, in his little house. Did you get a tickle? Should we do it one more time? This time we'll do around the little haystack. Ready? Round and round the haystack went the little mouse. One step, two step, in his little house. Great job. Did you get surprised? Maybe. All right. Our next book is called Perfect Piggies. Did you ever see noses so wonderfully round? Where else could these curly little tails be found? From the spring of our tail to our snuffling snout, our plumpness is pleasing, there is no doubt. And look at these ears, so floppy and fine. You have to admit it, we are fabulous swine. We are all perfect piggies, and we know what we need. It's really very simple indeed. We need a trough full of food, and a place in the sun, and a little bit of comfort when the day is done. There we go. Now some have more wit, and some have more style. But no one around has a lovelier smile. Some like to work, and some like to think. Piggies are born to be chubby and pink. Now a pig is a pig, and that's how it should be. We have to be, you have to be you, and we have to be we. And we go, wee, all the way home, all the way home. These little piggies go wee, all the way home. Great listening. All right, let's do a couple more songs. Get our fingers moving, huh? So let's do a nice little counting song. Do you have your hands ready? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers on my hands. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. 10 little fingers on my hands. Help me count one more time. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers on my hands. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. They wiggle and they wiggle and they wiggle all together. 10 little fingers on my hands. Great job. All right, let's do one more. So that book had noses and ears on the perfect piggies that were pointed out. So let's do that on our own faces. Ready? Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes and nose. Good job. Want to do it one more time? Okay. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin, cheeky chin, eyes and nose. Good job. Okay. So far we had cows and piggies, and we're going to do more of both of those, and a couple sheep, and this is going to be moo ba la la la. Oops, there we go. Pages are a little sticky. There we go. A cow says moo. And a sheep says ba. 3 singing pigs say, what do pigs say? These 3 singing pigs say la la la. No, you say, that isn't right. These pigs say oink, day and night. Rhinoceroses snort and snuff, and little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. Some other dogs go bow, wow, wow. And cats and kittens say, what do cats and kittens say? Cats and kittens say meow. Quack, says the duck, and a horse says neigh. It's quiet now. What do you say? The end. So this is a really fun, silly book, but it does have some really important skills in that it encourages you and your child to start learning animal noises and to associate them with a particular animal. And this is actually a really important early literacy skill. So even though it's animal sounds and not language, it is a really important part of that language building and concept building. And so sharing animal sounds and pointing them out to animals you see through your day or on the road and starting to make those connections and play with those sounds is all helping to build your child's speech ability. So it's all on that step to early literacy and later speaking and writing. Alrighty. Let's do a couple more rhymes, should we? Alright. I can make my hands go clap, 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 clap. I can make my hands go clap, clap, clap. They're a part of me. I can make my arms go wave, 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 wave. I can make my arms go wave, wave, wave. They're a part of me. I can make my feet go stomp, 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 stomp. I can make my feet go stomp, stomp, stomp. They're a part of me. I can make my lips go. I can make my lips go. 'Cause they're a part of me. Great job. Let's do one more. Ready? Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Roll them, roll them, roll them just like this. Wave them, and blow a little kiss. Good job. All right. Our last book is a fun take on the Wheels on the Bus. Instead of Wheels on the Bus today, we are going to have the llamas in the field. The cows in the barn go moo, 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 moo. The cows in the barn go moo, 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 all through the farm. What do we have next? The goats in the pen go ba, 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 ba. The goats in the pen go ba, 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 all through the farm. The alpacas in the hills go purr, 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 purr. The alpaca in the hills go purr, 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 all through the farm. What do you think we have next? Chickens. The chickens in the coop go cluck, 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 cluck. The chickens in the coop go cluck, 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 all through the farm. The coyotes in the woods go yip, 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 yip. The coyotes in the woods go yip, 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 all through the farm. The llamas in the field go mwah, 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 mwah. The llamas in the field go mwah, 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 all through the farm. That was kind of a silly one, wasn't it? With our purring alpacas and whining llamas. Pretty fun one, huh? All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today and our kind of barnyard farm animal themed books. I hope to see you back next week for more songs and stories and rhymes. We'll see you then. And we'll finish with our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.